A new report from Android Headlines has revealed the Motorola Moto G86 Power 5G, showing the phone in 4 color options: pale red, lavender, olive green, and blue-gray. It has a flat 6.67-inch POL display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. It features a flat frame, a flat backplate, and a seamless camera island in the top left corner. The power and volume buttons are on the right side, and there is Dolby Atmos branding at the top. The Moto G86 Power 5G runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip. It will come in 8GB and 12GB RAM options, with 128GB or 256GB storage. On the back, the phone has a 50MP main camera with Sony's LYTIA600 sensor and an 8MP macro camera. The front camera is 32MP. The standout feature is the 6720 mAh battery, which brings the phone's weight to 198g, and supports 33W turbo power charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.